The first project is Fetch. This is a popular AI using agents to create generous profit. This is a blockchain-based platform uses AI and machine learning to create what is called autonomous economic agent. And this is a new term that has been floating around. These agents act on behalf of individuals to generate profits through various means. An example of an autonomous economic agent in action is a crypto trading robot on a decentralized exchange like Uniswap, and the agent can buy and sell crypto to turn a profit for its owner. Alternatively, these agents can be used to share data between devices or to automatically process transactions and earn fees in the process. Fetch right now has pumped a lot, is at position 93, so this crypto asset related to AI is right now in the top 100 crypto coins in the market and has been pumping a lot, guys, from 6 cents to 56 cents. If you enter here in November of 2022, that is only 3 months ago, you will be in incredible profits. And Fetch is not the only project that is pumping like crazy related with the artificial intelligence crypto market.